If you're looking to build an online income without revealing your identity, faceless marketing might be the solution for you. Faceless marketing allows you to profit from digital marketing while maintaining anonymity. This method is increasingly popular for those who prefer not to show their face, but still want to benefit from online opportunities. The Faceless Marketing Masterclass teaches the exact steps to set up an online business, create content, and monetize it without exposing your identity. Whether you're a beginner or experienced in online marketing, many people search for how to make money online, but only a few succeed. The course covers everything you need to know. 1. Building a strong online presence. Learn how to establish a brand that engages users without revealing your personal information. You can run successful campaigns, grow your audience, and keep your identity private. 2. Creating content without exposure. You'll learn techniques to create engaging and effective content that attracts attention and converts without using your image or videos. 3. SEO strategies for anonymous marketing. The course provides insights on how to rank your website using SEO search engine optimization, helping you to get found on search engines like Google. Why choose faceless marketing? 1. No need to show your face. Many people feel uncomfortable appearing on video or sharing personal details. With faceless marketing, that's no longer a problem. You can operate behind the scenes while still earning money. 2. Anyone can start, whether you have marketing experience or not. The masterclass is designed to guide you step by step. You don't need to be an expert to get started. 3. Passive income potential. Once set up, your business can generate income around the clock, 365 days a year. Faceless marketing tools. One of the major advantages of faceless marketing is the ability to use AI-powered tools. These tools help you create content, optimize your campaigns, and analyze performance, all without needing to appear on camera. The keyword faceless marketing with AI is something you should pay attention to if you're interested in leveraging AI for better results. Fast action bonuses. If you decide to join the Faceless Marketing Masterclass today, you'll receive several bonuses that will help you get started quickly. These include a checklist to guide you through the course, a resource cheat sheet, and a mind map to visualize your strategy. How to get started. The course is available for just $67, which is a fraction of its real value. You can join the Faceless Marketing Masterclass today and start learning how to generate passive income without revealing your identity. The course comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. If you're not satisfied, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. Start your faceless marketing journey today and take the first step towards financial freedom without the need to show your face online.